Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Giant Particle Smasher by CERN. Scientists want to build a 90-kilometer future circular collider to study the Higgs boson particle at an estimated cost of 17 billion US dollars. CERN plans to build a 90-kilometer long particle accelerator called the Future Circular Collider, much larger than the Large Hadron Collider. Over a decade later, CERN scientists are still smashing subatomic particles at the Large Hadron Collider but have not reported any comparable discoveries since the Higgs boson. But they do hope to make new, major discoveries with a much larger particle collider, which, if built, will be 3 times the size of the LHC. The proposed Future Circular Collider would be more than 90 km long. It would aim to serve as a so-called Higgs factory, producing Higgs boson particles for research. Many scientists believe that building a bigger particle collider can answer many fundamental questions, same as the Higgs boson. CERN is the only lab equipped to study the Higgs boson. About CERN. CERN, which is European Organization for Nuclear Research, is a leading international research organization focused on fundamental particle physics. Established in 1954, CERN is located near Geneva, Switzerland, and operates the world's largest particle accelerator complex. The primary facility at CERN is the Large Hadron Collider, which has a circumference of 27 kilometers and is situated about 100 meters underground. CERN's mission includes providing the necessary infrastructure for high-energy physics research and facilitating numerous international collaborative experiments. The organization has been instrumental in significant discoveries, including the W and Z bosons in 1983 and the Higgs boson in 2012. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the name of the world's largest particle accelerator located at CERN? Superconducting Super Collider, Large Hadron Collider, Fermilab, Tevatron, Relativistic Heavy Ion Collider. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.